So what is Hypic photo editor and AI art app? So let's try it out. So this app quickly climbs the charts. And why is that? Because I think is being built by ByteDance, which is the parent company for TikTok, and ByteDance also has another viral hit app which is called CapCut, which is very well known editor for TikTok and for creating TikTok filters and all of that. So this app now has this company has additional app which is focusing on photo editing using AI. So AI cutout and background removal, put on trending makeup with one tap, portrait retouch tools, cinematic filters, AI filters, stylish stickers, be your own stylist, and all this kind of things. Um, you can make collages and edit pics and more. I mainly make collages, but I love making them my background. They look so good and can be in many different shapes. I use this app at least twice every day. It is also so good at editing your photos and not making obvious. Totally given 5 stars. So yeah, that's the app. Um, yeah, it's 200 megabytes in size. Um, and then yeah, you can just let's just open it up, and then you can just agree, and then you can allow to send some notifications, and then yeah, so you can just import some photos, have some ideas, some collages, add some and then for example you can allow full access. So for example, if I just import some photo, and then I can just attach some different filters like that. For example, I can select them by adding some retro styles. I can add some filters, so different categories of filters. Then just all right, so then there is portrait. Uh, you can reshape. Then there is free, couldn't recognize any officials if you wanna. Then there are AI filters, which you can use. So it doesn't matter if it's like a just nature photo, or if it's just your selfie. So you can just try to use that. Then you can just apply different text templates and some nice interesting templates. Then you can also add another picture. There is brush, stickers, so different kind of shapes which you can import. So yeah, kind of pretty cool. So it's kind of like Photoshop, which you can add a lot of features. So then let's just try out if I have selfie here. So then I have face, and then I can just change size of the head. I can resize like this, for example, which is pretty amazing. This app is using AI, and then it can just resize this. Then you can just small your face, width of the. You can edit your jaw, for example. So that's just with face. Then you can do eyes. Then you can change nose. You can increase eyebrows. So that's basically how you can edit your selfies, for example. It's pretty amazing with all this AI technology. Then you can just do your lips. So yeah, something like that's pretty cool. um, then you can also just do auto retouch. So yeah, and then of course you can just play with it. But then of course you need to agree to upload Hypic pictures to the cloud, and then just you decide if it's, if it's safe for you, or yeah, like if you just want to proceed with it or not. But yeah, there are a bunch of really cool AI filters here, so you can try it out. So, and then you can just try all of these AI selfies and all of that. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and then you can just save the photo in the top right. So yeah, I don't know what business is. So business, okay, this business is also a lot of different collages and like templates. So similar as you have for Canva. And then yeah, you can just use that and just instantly just, you don't need to use your laptop anymore. Just go to this app and there you have it. Then there is like a batch added. Then there are different projects. So there you have it.